Welcome to another vlog. We are going to Wyoming. Let's hope that we actually make it this time. Yesterday we were at the airport and our plane had issues with the brakes. So we were all deplaned, and then the only other available flight was today. I'm going to Jackson Hole, which is a little bit difficult to get to. So I have a connecting flight in Salt Lake City, Utah, but my first flight is already delayed. So we're gonna head to the airport, hoping for the best. If I do get delayed too much where I can't make my second flight, chances of me going to Wyoming are slim because my flight back is on Wednesday. So makes no sense to go there at nighttime and then return the next day because I do have a few meetings, which I hope not to miss. I'll stop rambling. We are gonna get ready to head downstairs and head to the car. We're gonna head to Burbank. We are moving to Miami, so it's pretty hectic. I wouldn't be traveling if it wasn't necessary. I'm cutting it very close. I return Wednesday night. I'm here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I leave again Sunday to Miami. Fingers crossed everything is smooth, especially with everything going on with airplanes and all of that. So pray for me. So our flight was delayed again. Hopefully we can make it. We won't land until 6:05 and my connecting flight is at 7:30. We are walking to the car. When they said this place was beautiful, they were right. This is insane. Never seen anything like this. But yeah, so we're gonna get in the car and head to the hotel, check in, hopefully grab a bite to eat. However, everything here closes at 6. It's currently almost 9, so let's hope we can find something. We are in the car and we are headed, look how beautiful this is. I don't know if you can see it. But the entire airport is basically made out of marble. So beautiful. And it is actually 9/11 right now and it's still light outside. I'm about 15 minutes away from the hotel. But wow, this is truly remarkable. I've never seen anything like it, and it's not even daytime. I can't imagine during the day. I'll probably do a room tour in the morning, but I just want to show you. This is my first walk in. It's nighttime, so you can't see anything outside. So we are back in the room. We went to $1 Million Cowboy Bar. Super cool. Everyone was dancing. Very cool experience. But it is 11 now, so I'm going to shower, go to bed, and we will be up bright and early tomorrow. Good morning. It is 7:30 and we are going to shower, get ready. Well, I'm gonna go eat breakfast first and then we'll come back, we'll change, and we will head out to start hitting prospects. We have an important meeting today, which I hope will go well. It's my last meeting with the company I currently work for because this Sunday we are moving to Miami. dressed and ready to start making our pit stops. 5 meetings down. I've been trying to capture how beautiful it is, but I can't because I'm driving. But I do have a few clips on my phone, so I'll insert those. We have 3 more to go, so wish me luck. In the room finally. It is about to be 6. We caught up on some emails. We had a lot of great meetings today. I hope I got enough content for you. I think that they'll just be small clips of the scenery. I can't really, bring my camera into meetings or, be videotaping work. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna go get a quick bite to eat. I'm going to pack, call it a night, and then we will head to the airport tomorrow at 9 a.m., fly to Utah, and then fly back home to California, and then get ready for the move. So it is a busy week. I am exhausted, but I am grateful. So yeah, let's go get something to eat. Beautiful people, we are all packed and ready to go. It looks very cloudy outside, but it should be about 20 minutes to get to the airport. They were telling me that the Jackson Hole Airport is the only airport where you actually fly into a national park, and to be able to fly into and out of it, the pilot must have like crazy training because of the winds. You're landing between the mountains, so it was pretty bumpy getting here. Hopefully it's not as bumpy leaving, but I'm gonna head downstairs, turn in my keys, finish my coffee, and I will see you at the airport. To LA. What a change in weather. It is sunny. Okay, my beautiful people, we are back home. We made it back in one piece. I think we might go out tonight, although I'm exhausted, but I want to take advantage of my last few days here. London is on the phone, so sorry if you hear screaming back there. We might go out, look at all these cases just full. Good morning, it is the next day. I am just jumping on here to finish the vlog. We did go out yesterday and I'm very tired. So I'm just waiting for the movers. They were supposed to be here about an hour ago, so interesting. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog, which will be in Miami.